In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your website using the Godaddy website builder. Adding a blog is a fantastic way to engage with your audience, share valuable content, and drive more traffic to your site. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process, ensuring that even if you're new to Godaddy or website building, you'll find it straightforward. First, you'll want to navigate to your Godaddy account. Open a web browser and go to the Godaddy homepage. Once there, look for the section labeled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools. This is where all your products and website tools are neatly organized. It's important to have a centralized view of your assets, making it easier to manage your website building tasks. Next, head over to your products page. This is essentially your dashboard that lists all the services and products associated with your Godaddy account. To find this, hover over or click on the menu labeled My Products. Here, you'll see a list of all the domains and hosting services you've purchased. It's like your own website ecosystem all in one place, ready to be customized as per your needs. Now you want to locate the specific website where you'd like to add your blog. Click on the website you want to edit. This action takes you to a more detailed view of the selected website's settings and features. From here, it's a small hop to start editing and creating the perfect blog for your site. Once you're ready to make changes, click on Edit Website. This button is usually towards the top of the page and is your gateway to the Godaddy editor. Here, you have control over all the customization options for your site. It's your creative workshop where you can design your website to reflect your personal brand or business personality. To begin adding your blog, click on the Add Section button in the editor. This action reveals a menu with various options for different sections you can add to your site. It's a treasure trove of possibilities, enabling you to tailor your site to captivate your visitors. In the search bar that appears, type in blog. This simple action is a shortcut to narrow down your options and directly bring up the blog choices available to you. It's like asking the system, show me blog options, and voila, they appear. Once you see the blog option, click on blog to select it. This selection indicates that you're ready to add a blogging section to your site, effectively integrating a platform where you can share articles, news, or updates with your audience. Finally, to seal the deal, click on Add. By doing so, you're confirming your choice to incorporate a blog into your website. In a matter of moments, you'll have a new blog section on your site, ready to be filled with engaging posts and articles. And there you have it. A straightforward way to enhance your website with a blog using Godaddy Website Builder, making it a richer, more dynamic experience for your audience.